Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how you can fix Instagram new news feed not showing or Instagram is not refreshing. For example, if you refresh your Instagram and it does not show you the latest or new Instagram feeds, then I will tell you how you can fix this error. First of all, you have to close the Instagram app. After that, you have to check whether your internet connection is working well or not, which means you have to check for your Wi-Fi which is working or not. And if you are connected to your cellular network or data connection, you can also restart it so that it can work properly and your Instagram feed can be refreshed. So so the next trick is, as you have to open your settings. After you have opened settings, you have to click on apps and you have to search for Instagram. If you scroll down, then you can easily find your Instagram app. You have to click on that, and what you have to do is you have to click on storage and you have to clear the cache of your Instagram app. After that, you can check whether the problem has solved or not by doing all this. If the problem is again occurring, you can go to Instagram and you have to press and hold and you have to uninstall your Instagram app and again install the app from Play Store. This will also update your Instagram app, and in this way you can solve this problem. If the problem is again occurring, then there is also another trick, which is, as you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. After that, you have to click on settings. In settings, you have to click on help and you have to click on report a problem, which means you have to report this problem to Instagram team that you are facing this problem, and Instagram team will help it for you and tell you the solution or solve this error for you as soon as possible. You can also attach a screenshot so that Instagram can understand you in a better way. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.